Brighton Brighton's vlog camera, no Brighton.
Hey y'all.
Hold on, wait, my nail is. Yeah.
Y'all, my camera going dead, y'all.
It's cold already?
Guess what food we finna eat, y'all? No, it is not seafood. Had a happy plate. This is my cousin Carlicia, y'all. Her car got told, but it's alright though.
Bye.
Let's leave though. It's my
Next
sister.
time.
It's Carlicia.
Look.
Hold it down.
Everybody?
Give me on there.
What you mean?
I'm working with.
Everybody got
I see.
curling? Those things that y'all are using are called roller bandages and curling. Okay.
Show the teacher so they can know.
This is my teacher, y'all.
Look at Mr. Glenn. You know him play.
I'm finna go and put something together. This called a splint. You get this.
My hand ain't on the thing right.
You see this, and
You
I'm
gonna lay
going
it
to
down.
right.
Make sure you go to the thumb and the little
I already did. They see this.
Bring it on up.
They
Don't
get
take
this
it
on
back down,
camera.
bring it up.
I had to get his wrist covered.
Can't run out of band.
Alright. Nope.
We got thumb in.
My arm ain't even splinting.
Yes, it is. Cause he didn't go that far with mine.
You go through the pinky.
Now,
Your
check
pinky.
me out.
Right here.
Done. It's good.
Yeah.
It might not be tight, but it's on.
See what?
It's a glare in there.
It's a blur. This is my first time, y'all.
Alright,
Yes,
come on,
we're
guys.
currently in EMS
Keep
class, so.
Well, roll it back up. Be civilized.
There we go, y'all. Let me show 'em. You don't put your arm, bro. You don't put it. There we go, y'all. That's all me.
Tell them add me on Snap. Add me
Yeah,
on
on Snap.
Snap.
Man, we at our first clinical, y'all. Man, we about late. Had to go give me some. I had to go
we
give me
supposed to
some
be here
meat.
too. It's 2:17.
Dog, we late. There we go, y'all. It look full outside. I know we got a lot of pace. When the other people went there, had nobody. We had Chick-fil-A, y'all.
Yeah, we had Chick-fil-A in Horn Lake. Just left the nail salon. It's not. South Haven, I mean. And it's snowing really bad. Today is March 11th. Let me turn this light up. It's March 11th.
It's snowing, y'all. What's really going on?
We woke up this morning to real cold weather, and then we
It wasn't that cold this morning. But I have on my jacket when I first came outside.
I was freezing. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know. My arm pretty low though. But now it's snowing. Extra hard. My birthday is Monday. We supposed to be celebrating tomorrow. We still gonna celebrate. Just not the original way. But this way gonna be better. Part over here.
Embarrassing.
Ain't going in there to get the food. And then you running back in. Let's see what we got to say.
We can't even go in, y'all.
So I told you.
I really got out of line for no reason.
We done lost our spot line.
Real, man.
You got the defrost on?
I don't know. That did not work there. I'm upset. That's all I know. But we still got our order. I'm here. They canceled our order, dog.
Stop playing.
Yeah.
So what that mean?
We ain't getting our food. I'm starved, y'all. We've been in this snowstorm for 3 days now.
The lies.
30 minutes, but still.
30
We've been trying to
minutes.
get some food for a long time. All Chick-fil-A is closing on us, man. I just want a strawberry milkshake from Chick-fil-A. I can't wait to eat, y'all.
My stomach touching my back.
I'm not doing all that now, but I'm just on.
So this Tyler. Tyler say, hey. Oh, it just got bright. Let me focus. So, hold on, y'all. Let me throw it. I don't. Oh, there we go. I putting the brightness down. That's him. Yeah. I say in a year, he's gonna be making money off YouTube, like a good amount. If y'all say you're not gonna be making no money on YouTube, then why are you watching this? Because you're a hater. Hold on, how you? Hold on. That's my granny. How you zoom in? Oh, that's my mama. That's Araya. Anaya don't like the camera so much. Oh, I love him. He got a big pimple. Look at it. Okay, y'all. Bye-bye. Thank y'all.
I got the camera on.
Alright, I was gonna say one in English and one in Japanese.
Birthday. Happy birthday, beautiful. Thank you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. One more time in Japanese. Shio wasanate tateko. Shio wasanate tateko. Shio wasanate yamashimi soyo. Solami narate tateko. Happy birthday.
Mama can't. Oh, there you go. Ain't this serious? He always trying to come to something important.
Oh, good.
Look at him.
Take a picture of us
Look at that chick. Look at her. Ooh, refreshments. I gotta get that on the spot.
I thought we could get a cupcake.
That guy was carrots.
What they got? What's up there? Not prepared.
Man, they don't smell good though.
Hey, friend. How are you?
Put stuff in your pocket. You can have hands. Grab things. Grab one and go. And go to class. One more cup. Grab
Oh
one.
my God.
Here. Go to class. The people in class just have to be jealous. Go to class. I need you there by 11:30 so you're not marked absent. And we're at 11:15. Yeah, go to class with it. One time I'll let you eat something.
Look, y'all. That's what the school gave us. It's good. What's that point?
Strawberry lemonade.
Man, I should've got that. I can't go back up there.
You ain't get up. You get some. I need somewhere to sit this cup at. Oh, we have to take a picture?
Man, you can get a fruit cup too?
Yeah, with fruit.
They look good though, I ain't gonna lie.
What y'all doing?
None? Standing?
What's this?
I should've got one of them.
Get a drink.
My class. Y'all say hey to his vlog. Hey. Say hey.
That's bright.
Say hey. He don't want to speak. Say hey. I forgot your name.
That's bright.
You gotta say hey, Miss Magruder. Hi, Miss Magruder. Oh.
I did my work.
Okay.
I did my work.
I know.
What's up, y'all? I just found him on the side of the road. He said he was gonna clean my car.